If you're teaching ukulele, Love Somebody is an easy song you can have your students play. You can teach them to sing it first, and then we're going to play it on the C chord and G7. We're going to play each of them 2 times until we get to the last line. So it'll be, love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. And then the last line, it's going to switch on one beat. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. And so it makes it pretty easy to teach. You could toss up the pattern of the chords on the board fairly quickly and play this song in one class time. If you've been doing ukulele, have fun singing Love Somebody on the ukulele. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, yes I do. Love somebody, but I won't tell who. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you'll subscribe. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.